Okay, it's 5:30 a.m. and I just woke up. The sun is already shining. And today we're gonna chase some drift cars. So we're driving almost 4 hours to go to a drifting event today. Cash and grab drifting at Sundsvall Raceway. I've got a bunch of batteries packed up, quads are packed up. We're all packed up, so let's go. Okay, we're here, Sundsvall Raceway. So I already got to fly some warm-up laps during the practice session. So the qualifying is gonna start soon. So we got a perfect spot to fly from here. Landing zone, fly zone. You can stand here and fly. Perfect connectivity. So the whole track, no probs, no probs. Fuck. My monster, it fell down. I lost my monster. Goddamn. Goddamn. Today is ruined. Today is ruined. You always have to do some quad work before you fly.
I'm just making sure it works very good. It's soldering the ground cable is tutorial. Put it on. Wait, I make sure it was this one. No problem.
Okay, a little mid-session breakdown. This is fun as hell. These guys are going full sun.
I don't